Here is the short answer to today's question. The single highest leverage thing you can do for AEO is to open each key page with the direct answer to its main question, written in 40 to 60 words before any introduction. That short paragraph is the exact passage ChatGPT, Perplexity, Gemini, and Claude lift and quote. Most websites bury their answer under a warm-up. The fix is to lead with that paragraph because engines preferentially lift a clean passage from near the top. So the order of your content strongly affects whether you get cited. Let me show you the problem first. This is how most pages open. In today's fast-moving world, businesses face many challenges, and that is why we are excited to share our approach. 2 sentences in, and the engine still has no idea what this business does. The actual answer is somewhere lower down, after the visitor has already lost patience and the engine has already grabbed its quote from higher up the page. The warm-up is costing you the citation. Now here is the same page, rewritten, answer first. Web App Ski helps businesses get found and cited by AI assistants like ChatGPT and Perplexity. We do answer engine optimization, the low-budget way to show up in AI answers, with real data and real tools, focused on markets where the competition is still thin. 43 words. The answer is the first thing on the page, and an engine could quote that paragraph as a complete reply. The rules for this paragraph are exact, so let me be precise. Length, 40 to 60 words. Long enough to be complete, short enough to be quoted whole. Position, the very top, before any headingless intro. Voice, plain language, the kind a customer would actually use, not marketing fog. And it must answer the page's one main question directly. If your page is about a service, this paragraph states what the service is and who it is for. If it is about a feature, it states what the feature does. The answer first paragraph belongs right here, at the top, under the headline. Here is a skeleton you can reuse on every page. First clause. What this is, named plainly. Second clause, who it is for. Third clause, the one thing that makes it the right choice, stated as a fact, not a boast. Fill those 3 clauses honestly, and you will almost always land between 40 and 60 words. The discipline of the word count forces you to cut everything that is not the answer, which is exactly what the engine wants. One more thing, and it is our whole edge. If your customers ask their questions in Polish or German, this paragraph has to be written natively in that language, not run through a translator. An engine answering a Polish question matches it to Polish words. A machine-translated paragraph reads as foreign and gets passed over. So the answer-first paragraph is written fresh in each language you serve, with native phrasing and native examples. In thin, non-English markets, this alone can put you first. So here is how to fix any page today. Step 1. Delete the warm-up. Every sentence before the real answer goes. Step 2. Write the direct answer using the 3-clause skeleton. Step 3. Trim until you are between 40 and 60 words. That is it. You do not need a new page, a new design, or a copywriter. You need to move the answer to the top and cut everything in front of it. Do that on your 10 key pages and your AI visibility changes. Look at the before and after one more time. Before, the answer was 3 paragraphs down, far less likely to be the passage an engine lifts. After, it is the first thing on the page, complete in one quotable block. Nothing about the business changed. We only changed the order. This is why I call it the highest leverage move. The work is small, it costs nothing, and it directly produces the passage the engines reward. Order beats effort. That is the 40 to 60 word answer first paragraph. Answer first, before the intro, in plain language, written natively for each market, trimmed to a clean, quotable block. It is the simplest change with the biggest return in all of AEO. In the next episode, I will show you why honest comparison and substitution tables get quoted almost word for word on the questions a buyer actually asks. If you want us to rewrite your key leads answer first, the first audit is free. The link is in the description and pinned in the first comment. This is WebAppSki. Thanks for watching.